I got robots for you. The Love Bots. Oh, exciting and new. Oh, and this is
Randi's Robot Refurbish!
Yes, these are the Love Bots from Bandai America, and they come with their own little comic book. So, let's have a read. These are the Lov Bots. Of course they are. Far away on the planet the planet, yeah, right off the bat. They have this stupid name for a planet. What's wrong with Flygon 4 or something like that? Let's start over. Far away on planet AIE, there lives a family of robots called Love Bots. Usually, robots are not given names, but this family is special. They have been given crystal eyes that sparkle when they see or feel the emotion of love. Their eyes are so sensitive that they can experience love from very far away. How about that for some love? The girl robots named G-Bots have green crystal eyes, while the boy robots, Bobots, have blue crystal eyes. Green. And, I don't think this one's been updated. Mine both have green eyes. Take from that what you will. There is also another difference. When Love G-Bots were created, the G-Bots was given extra microchips, which made her the leader of the two. Well, okay. Almost always, Love G-Bots are a Love Bot couple and are never lonely or without love. Well, that's something there. So, the Love Bot family is worried. Oh, well, I'll be darned. The story changes here. All the way from the planet AIE, they have been seeing that love is disappearing from the planet Earth. Well, yeah. They have seen that countries have more troubles, fathers have more headaches, mothers have more heartaches, and children have a more difficult time feeling and understanding love. What year was this made? Oh, wow. Well, here they are. They're coming down from heaven here, apparently. Because the Love Bot family cares. They care. Love G-Bots are being sent to Earth. They are landing here to become friends of Earth children. Well, that's good to hear right there. You can look into their crystal eyes and see love they are seeing. Okay, if you say so. Talk to them, play games with them, listen to them, sing with them, watch them, laugh with them, and discover the feeling of love and friendship again and again and again. The only one thing to remember, send your love letter to the Love Bot family on the planet AIE so that they will know that your Love G-Bots have landed safely and are finding a home in your heart. So what are these Love Bots, or these Love G-Bots, or in my case, I think I've got Love Bots here, but I don't judge. What are these? Well, basically, these are intercom systems, or a baby monitor, I guess, more like they would be. This one has no way of getting into it. There are no screws or anything like that. Everything is glued up. There's no place to put batteries into this one. Only input is a 1/8" phone jack here, and his head is a switch, or her head is a switch. Okay. This one takes a 9-volt battery. Takes a 9-volt battery that goes in the bottom. There on the back there is a volume knob. On the front there is a switch that says off and call, and then there's a switch for on, and again his head is a switch as well. Alright, so this is a male-to-male 1/8" jack, audio jack. This is stereo, but they don't have to be stereo. There's nothing stereo about these things. Mono jack works just fine. But on the back of this one, it gets plugged in here. Then on the back of this one, you have your 2 bots. Now, within this position, with it on off and call, when you push this down, it calls. I guess you're calling, hey. And then if you push this one down, that one makes a noise. So you're calling back and forth. So that in a way is like an intercom system. So if you need to signal that person, and you need to signal that person, they kind of go back and forth this way. When you put it to on here, at this point, at on, the reason you're getting a lot of feedback is this is constantly, this is on right now. This is a microphone. If we talk down in here, so this is the microphone, and this is a speaker system over here. And if we turn it up louder, it's going to start re-echoing, making that horrible noise. So in this way, it's kind of like a baby monitor, I guess. It could be used as, so, because you're listening in on this one. Now, if you want to talk to this one over here, you can by pushing the head down. And so now when you're talking, this is coming out here. So now this is the robot, and everything is reversed. And then when you let up, everything is coming back. It's all coming back to here now. And then in off position, or the call, you're back to the noise. So that is what the Lov Bots do. They are just a little intercom system, but a very cute little intercom system. So what needs to be fixed on these is, well, this is missing a piece. I'm going to fix that. You can't get into this one, so I can't really show you. But this one has some screws. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside of it. Now again, this robot here, there is nothing to unscrew. Everything is glued together, and there's no battery compartment, nothing here. But this one does have some screws back here. I would imagine inside here is going to be some sort of amplifier and speaker system. But let's see what they did. Well, there you have it. That's what's inside of one of these Lov Bots here. You have some capacitors. You have a transformer and a push button switch here. Looks like some transistors here. some resistors, a couple of Zener diodes there, and voila! You've got a Lov Bot. You can see it's most definitely mono, which is also the disease that these Lov Bots get all the time. I think that will work. Okay, it looks like that piece is going to work. I just need to clean it up a little bit. And take sandpaper as well. We'll go ahead and give it a little bit of buffing. They're both kind of dirty. Well, there you have it. All you need is love. Love is all you need. The Lov Bots from Bandai American. So, if you felt the love in this video, then please hit the like button. If you really felt the love and you want to see more, then hit the subscribe button as well. And thank you very much for watching. That was
Randy's Robot Refurbished!
Mrs. O'Higgins, I wonder if you could come in.
Hello?
Mrs. O'Higgins, I wonder if
Hello?
Mrs. O'Higgins, I wonder if you...
Hello?